Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 1 Arjuna Vishada Yoga Sloka 43.
दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः। Om.
Arjuna is saying to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Krishna, if we participate in this war, all those in the army will perish. If those in the army perish, their dynasties will also be ruined. When the dynasties get ruined, the women in those families will have nowhere to go and will end up going in an illegal path. If this happens, there will be a rise in unethical or unwanted progeny, and due to this progeny, the family traditions, religious rites, and duties will be ruined. All Kula Dharma will be ruined, all Jati Dharma will be ruined, and in turn, all of Sanatana Dharma will be completely ruined. Won't it, Krishna? This is what Arjuna was saying to Sri Krishna. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is that under no circumstances should our Kula Dharma, Jati Dharma, and presiding over those in Sanatana Dharma, this should never get destroyed. Let us all put in our continuous efforts in protecting these dharmas.
दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः। ॐ दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः। ॐ श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas, or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Sriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Sriman Narayana, As you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Vraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say, I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.